In front of me is TECNO Spark 20C, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, open it. Then select OK in Welcome pop-up. Click on Timeout and make sure that Infinite is on. When you're finished, you can close your app. Then go into Tab menu and click on those three dots at the top right corner. Following that, click on Edit Shortcut Switch. Look for Caffeine shortcut, and when you find it, add it to your Tab menu. Then go back and click on it. As you can see, after that, Infinite Sleep Time is on. If you wish to switch it off, tap on the same shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!